Now sum number 4. You are given the length of 40 leaves of a plant are measured correct to nearest millimeter, and the data obtained is represented by the following table. Find the median length of the leaves. Okay, so I am writing directly the table. Length in mm is 118, 2126, then 127, 2135, 136, 2144. See, you tell me what is the difference between previous sum and this sum. Data में क्या फर्क है? You observe here there is a gap between upper limit of first class and lower limit of second class. Okay, 163 to 171 and 172 to 180. इसका मतलब here lower and upper both limit included. 118 to 126, then 127 to 135 are the length in millimeter, and number of leaves are given as 3, 5, 9, 12, 5, 4 and 2. Total number of leaves are 40. Out of them, 3 leaves have length in 118 to 126. 5 has length 127 to 135. Now in order to find out the median, we should find out the median class. And for median class, we should find out lower limit. And so first of all, I should avoid this gap. Okay. So the data, you observe here, the data needs to converted data, the data needs to converted to continuous class. Okay, we should avoid this gap, and in order to avoid the gap, we should, for finding the median, assume continuous class. See, we want continuous class. The data needs to convert it to continuous class. For finding the median, since the formula for finding the median, assume the continuous class. इसमें continuous class चाहिए. So you have learned in your 9th standard, for continuous class, what we are supposed to do? Tell me what we are supposed to do. You add 126 plus 127 and divide by 2. So upper limit of first class is 126.5. So in the upper limit I should add 0.5, and from lower limit I have to subtract 0.5. Then I have to subtract 0.5 from 127, so it is 126.5, and 0.35 I should add in 135.5. So automatically my gap should be avoided. Then 135.5 to 144.5, then 144.5 to 153.5, then 153.5 to 162.5, then 162.5 to 171.5, and last is 171.5 to 180.5. Gap should be avoided. And I should find out cumulative frequency, because for median I required cumulative frequency. Cumulative frequency is 3, 8, 17, 29, 34, 38 and 40. So what is the median class? The median class is a class where n by 2 observation lies. N by 2 matlab 28 observation lying between 17 to 29 matlab fourth class, and fourth class is 144.5 to 153.5. Okay, so I got my median class. See, median class is n by 2 matlab 40 by 2, so 20th class, 20th observation class in which 20th observation lies, and 20th observation lies between 144.5 to 153.5. So my lower limit L is 144.5. Cumulative frequency is 17, frequency is 12 and H is 9. CF is a cumulative frequency of class preceding to median class, and F is a frequency of the median class. So what is my median? Median is formula is L plus n by 2 minus CF upon F bracket complete into H. So it is 144.5 plus n by 2 matlab 20 minus 17 upon 12 into 9. Class length is 9. So it is 144.5 plus 3 by 12. 20 minus 17, 3 by 12 into 9. 3 3 ja 9, 3 4 ja 12. So it is 144.5 plus 9 by 4. That is 144.5 plus 2.25, and that is 146.75. Clear? This is my median of the given data. Okay. Now sum number 5. Fifth sum of your textbook is given. The following table gives the distribution of lifetime of 400 neon lamps. You are given lifetime in hours and number of neon lamps. Total number of neon lamps are 400. So my sigma Fi must be 400. Now the lifetime in hours are between 1500 to 2000 hours. How many lamps? 14 lamps has lifespan 1500 to 2000 hours. 2000 to 2500. My 56 lamps. Then 2500 to 3000. Then 3000 to 3500. Then 3500 to 4000. Then 4000 to 4500. Then 4500 to 5000. And corresponding frequencies are 60, 86, 74, 62 and 48. My sigma Fi is given as 400. I first find out column of cumulative frequency because that I need for median. 14 and 56, 70, 70 and 60, 130, 130 and 86, 216, 216 and 74, 290, 290 and 62, 352, 352 and 48 is 400. दिस इज अ वेरिफिकेशन, लास्ट में 400 आना चाहिए. नाउ n by 2 मतलब 400 by 2. So 200th observation lies in, my 200 observation lies between 130 to 216. So it is a class 3000 to 3500. So my median class in which my this 200 observation lies, and that is 3000 to 3500. Okay. So my L is 3000. My cumulative frequency of the class preceding to median class is 130C inside. And then my frequency of median class is 86. And my class length is 500. So my median का formula is L plus N by 2 minus CF upon F into H. So put the value. 3000 plus N by 2 is 200 minus CF is 130 upon F is 86 into class length is 500. So my calculation comes to 3000 plus 70 by 86 into 500. तो कैंसिल करो तो इधर 43 और इधर 35. क्लियर? सो इट इज 3000 प्लस 17500 अपॉन 43. तो इट कम्स टू 406.98. सो माय मीडियन इज 3000 plus 406.98. So 3406.98. This is the average lifespan of lifetime in hours of median lifetime in hours of 400 of this given data. Okay. Now sum number 7. It is given that the distribution below gives the weight of 30 students of a class. Find the median weight of the students. So here weight of student in kg given, and here number of students are given, and you are asked to find out the median weight. Classes are given as 40 to 45, 45 to 50, 50 to 55, 55 to 60, 60 to 65, 65 to 70, 70 to 75. Okay. And your frequency Fi are given as 2, 3, 8. Every time I need not to explain what do you mean by frequency. Okay. That is number of students whose weight are in this interval. 40 to 45 में 2 बच्चे हैं, 45 to 50 में 3 बच्चे हैं, total 30 बच्चे हैं. Now for median I should find out column cumulative frequency first of all. Cumulative frequency, go on adding 2 plus 3 5, 5 plus 8 13, 13 plus 6 19, 19 plus 6 25, 25 plus 3 28 and 28 plus 2 30. आगे. Now find out n by 2. n by 2 मतलब 30 by 2 मतलब 15 observation. Now 15th observation lies in a class. 15 observation lies in class 55 to 60. देखो, your 15 observation is between 13 to 19 मतलब 4th class, so 55 to 60. So my L is समझ में आया 13 to 90, so 19 मतलब 55 to 60. So L is 55, lower limit. Cumulative frequency of class preceding to median class मीडियन क्लास तो हमारा 55 to 60 है, उसके आगे की क्यूमुलेटिव फ्रीक्वेंसी इज 13 और वही क्लास की फ्रीक्वेंसी 6 एंड क्लास लेंथ इज 5. सब लिख दिया. नाउ यूज द फॉर्मूला ऑफ मीडियन. वेरी सिंपल. You just write the formula and substitute the value, nothing else, and do the calculation. n by 2 minus cf upon f. वो ही 8-10 सम कर दो, प्रैक्टिस हो जाएगी. So it is 55 plus 15 minus 13 upon 6. सपोज पहले सम में क्लियर नहीं है CF और F का मीनिंग, तो दूसरे में क्लियर हो जाएगा. दूसरे में क्लियर नहीं है तो तीसरे में क्लियर हो जाएगा. ओके, बार बार मैं बोलती रहती. तो इट इज 55 प्लस 15 माइनस 13 इज 2 अपॉन 6 इंटू 5. 2 3 जा 6. सो इट इज 55 प्लस 5 by 3. That is 55 plus 1.66. And that is 56.66 kg. This is the average weight, median weight of the data. Okay, average बोल दिया जाता है.